So good morning students, this is our last video of this chapter, light, chapter number 8. So in this video we are going to talk about transparent, translucent and opaque objects. So there are three types of given. First is transparent, then translucent and opaque object. So what is the difference between these objects? Most of the students know these things because they have already read these things in class 4. So this is the brief description of these topics. So here it is given the amount of the light passing through an object decide whether it is transparent, translucent or opaque. So if from any object the more light is passing, then they are transparent. If less light is passing through an object, then they are translucent. And if none or no light is passing through any object, then they are opaque. So this is the difference between these topics. Any objects, so we are going to read about transparent. Any object that allow light to pass through it completely is known as transparent object. For example, clear glass or pure water. So any object that allow light passing through these objects, so they are called transparent objects. So for example, clear glass or pure water. Pure water is clear, so light can easily pass through pure water. An object that allows some light to pass through it is known as a translucent object. For example, wax paper or butter paper. So this is translucent. Here you can see in transparent, you can see the face clearly. In translucent, it is difficult to see the face of the person behind the glass. So these are translucent because the glass is not allowing the light to pass through the object. Now third one is an object that does not allow light to pass through it is known as opaque. For example, wooden block or metal sheet. So this is opaque, so light cannot pass through this glass. So that's why these objects are called opaque. So this is about transparent, translucent and opaque. And our next topic is, so here one question is given, how do you decide whether an object is transparent, translucent or opaque? So here it is given reflection. So have you ever thought why you can see your face in the mirror but not in a piece of wood? Have you ever wondered how you are able to see your image in a mirror or a shiny metallic surface? If it happens due to the phenomena of light called reflection. So it is given here that you can see your face on mirror in the mirror but not in a piece of wood, or not in the, if you are standing in front of a wooden gate or any plastic surface, so you can't see your face. So why it is happening around you? So if you can see your face in the mirror, so it is because of the reflection of the light, because the surface is polished, because the surface is clear, so you can see your face in the surface. If the surface is not polished, if the surface is rough, so you can't see your face because there is no reflection on rough surface. When light falls on a polished surface such as mirror or shiny metallic surface, it bounces back. This bouncing back of light is known as reflection. Okay, if light is falling on a clear surface, on polished surface, then it bouncing back, and the bouncing back of the light is known as reflection. The more highly polished the surface is, the greater will be the reflection. Okay, if the surface is polished, highly polished, clear, so the reflection will be more. If the surface is rough, not polished clearly, then the reflection will be less. This phenomena of the reflection is used by the photographers to click photographs in the natural light. They use light reflected from the water bodies, mirrors and any other reflective surface to capture picture of the natural landscape or an animal. So the same phenomena the photographer use to capture the picture. They usually choose a place where light can reflect easily. Okay, so I hope the topic is clear. So after completing this topic, you have to read the chapter again. You have to solve all the practice of chapter number 8.